So hey guys, in this video, the chapter under polar curves, we are going to learn one new concept. Very interesting concept, which is slope of tangent we are going to find for the whole polar curves. Okay. So for finding that slope of tangent, in order to find, we have to first to find what? Phi. Phi is nothing but the angle between radius vector as well as the tangent. So first step is to find phi. Then we'll find out what? Psi value. Psi is the angle. That psi value will be given as what? Theta plus phi, right? So after getting psi value, we can find tan psi, which will give you the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent is given by tan psi. In order to find tan psi, we have to first get the value of phi plus theta you have to do. Simple concept. Plus theta you have to do. Now where is theta given? That is the question. See, in the question they will mention you theta value. So at theta is equal to this particular question, they have given it as pi by 2. Simple. That theta you have to apply here plus phi here we'll find out now. So first we'll find out phi. How to find phi? See, we have solved problems previously. So let us discuss here also. First you have to take the log on both sides. Take log on both sides. So what will happen? R. So log R is equal to log of A into 1 plus cos theta. Now here we can apply formulas. Here two functions has been multiplied. So two functions here it is multiplied. So what will happen? We can apply the formula of log m into n, which is equal to log m plus log n. So this can be applied here. So it will be log R is equal to log A plus log of 1 plus cos theta. After simplifying, what you have to do, we have to take or we have to differentiate with respect. This is the second step. Differentiate with respect to theta. Now, while differentiating, be careful. The variable here is theta. With respect to theta, we have to differentiate. Okay. Log R differentiation is what? 1 by R. From where I got this formula. So first we'll understand the formula. So log differentiation of log with respect to x is what? We have studied it is 1 by x, or you might have studied log theta. Log theta with respect to theta will be what? With respect to theta will be what? 1 by theta. The same concept here. So log r differentiation will be 1 by r, but in place of theta, who is sitting? R. So I have to again differentiate. It will be dr by d theta. Simple concept, chain rule is equal to log a. A is a constant, so differentiation of constant is 0. So write simply 0 plus log of something. So it can be written as 1 by that something, 1 plus cos theta. But the problem is that this something has to be again differentiated. Why? Because 1 by x, in place of x someone else is sitting. So that has to be differentiated, right? This is nothing but chain rule. So I'll differentiate again with respect to theta what? 1 plus cos theta. So it will become 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 1 differentiation is 0, cos differentiation is minus sign, so I can directly write minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, right? Now after doing differentiation, this particular thing can be written as, you might have studied, cot phi is equal to 1 by r dr by d theta, right? So in place of 1 by r dr by d theta, I can place what? Cot phi. This particular phi is nothing but the radius vector and tangent, angle between radius vector and tangent is equal to. Now this particular RHS part, we have to get the value of what? Phi. In order to get the value of phi, we have to get the RHS part in terms of cot, or tan is also fine, because tan can be converted into cot and vice versa. Okay. So this RHS part will try to bring it into what? Cot form or tan form. So sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Simple concept. So from where I got this formula, we'll try to analyze that. So numerator part we'll see. See, we have studied sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Theta angle 2 theta by 2, so it will be sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Basically, I am just dividing the angle by 2. That's it. Angle by 2. Okay, angle by 2. So, what happens? This is the formula we are getting. That's what I have substituted here. Simple. Next. The next formula cos 2 theta, we know it is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Yes, we know that. If I bring this minus 1 towards this thing, it will become 1 plus cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 cos square theta, right? Now, if I take the angle again by 2, it will become 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, correct? Angle by 2. This particular formula has been applied over here. Simple concept. Okay, so why we are doing this? What's the beneficial? See, if you get it in terms of sine and cos, we know that sine by cos is tan, cos by sine is cot. You can get the answer simple way. So here, cot theta by 2, theta by 2 and cos theta by 2 will cancel. So here one cos theta by 2 is remaining. So what will be the answer? Cot phi is equal to minus 2 sin theta by 2 divided by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. What is remaining? Minus tan theta by 2. Correct? This tan has gone. Tan is there. So tan has to be converted into cot. How to convert into cot? Very simple way. So cot phi is equal to this minus tan theta. Minus tan theta is what? Cot pi by 2 plus theta. Plus theta in the sense pi by 2. 90 plus theta. Cot 90 pi. The cot 90 plus theta is what? Minus tan theta. It is equal to this thing. Now what happens here? Cot at cot is gone. So phi value we got it as pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Simple. From this phi value, I have to get the value of psi. Right? Psi is nothing but theta plus phi. Right? Now here, what is theta value? Theta value in the question it was given as pi by 3. Simple. So here, in place of theta, if I substitute pi by 3, it will be pi by 2 plus pi by 3 by 2. Now what is pi by 3 by 2? It will become pi by 6. In denominator it will go pi by 6. Now if you take LCM, what will happen? Into 3 into 3. It will be 3 pi plus pi. It will be 4 pi by 6. Or in other words, cancel it. 2 and 3. It will be 2 pi by 3. Okay. 2 pi by 3 is how much? 120 degree. Now you will ask me how I got 120 degrees. See, in place of pi, I substituted 180. So 3 and 180 is 60. 60 into 2 is 120. So what I got? Phi value. Phi value I got it as what? 120. Or you can say it as 2 pi by 3. We'll take it as 2 pi by 3 only. Okay. Next, psi value I have to get now. Psi value is equal to theta plus phi. Okay, theta plus phi. Now theta value we know it is pi by 3 given in the question. Phi value we just found out which is 2 pi by 3. So when you add both, no need to take LCM, directly 3 pi by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel, pi which is equal to 180 degree. So we have to understand here, we have to get tan psi value. So tan into 180 degree or pi tan pi. So tan 180 degree is how much? 0. So what we understood from this? That the slope of the tangent is given by what? Tan phi, which is equal to 0. So in order to get tan 180, if you don't know the formula, what you have to do? You can write it as tan 90 plus 90. So it will be minus c. Tan 90 plus theta is what? Cot minus cot theta. So minus cot 90. What is cot 90? 0. So minus into 0 is 0. This is how I got the value. Okay, that is how. Otherwise, you remember tan 180 is 0. So this is nothing but the answer. So finally, we can write slope of the tangent is equal to tan phi is equal to tan 180 equal to